Hey, what's up YouTube? Now this video, you can tell it's going to be serious because we have two black gloves on, so you know it's a serious cooking video. And I'm going to be doing kind of an instant pot dump meal. So ingredients, I got 3 packs of this sausage, 2 32-ounce jars of sauerkraut, and a bunch of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And really easy here. The first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and drain the sauerkraut. So let me do that real quick. All right, first one drained and going in the Instant Pot. And I got that in a nice layer across the bottom. And I'm gonna get the second one draining. And while the second one is draining, we'll go ahead and we'll start chopping meat. And first thing we're gonna do is the sausage. And going in the Instant Pot, and we're gonna repeat it with the other 2 sausages. And then we're gonna chunk up and season our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Alright, so we got it chunked up and seasoned. You season it however you want. And now we're going in the pot with all of it. Right on top of the sausage. Alright, now we're done with the meat. The video's going to get a little less serious. And we're going on top with our second jar of sauerkraut. Alright, we got the sauerkraut spread on top. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. And we're going to pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. And then do 10-minute natural release. And then quick release. So I'll let this run till it reaches temperature, cooks for 10 minutes, natural release for 10 minutes, and then we'll do quick release for the rest of it, and I will show you what we ended up with. Alright, so it warmed up and pressure cooked for 10 minutes, and now we're going to go ahead and just do a natural release for 10 more minutes, and then we'll show you what we ended up with at the end of it. Alright, so let it go 10 minutes natural release. Now we'll go ahead and we'll finish it off with a quick release so we can open it up. All right. And probably what you expect, some sausage, chicken, and sauerkraut. And this is one of those things, too, that I put it in the fridge, and it's even better the next couple of days. You know, the flavor kind of, I guess, it soaks in, and I really do enjoy it more after a day or 2 in the fridge. But anyway, that's a real quick Instant Pot dump meal. Basically just 3 ingredients, and you know, if you don't count the knife and the spoon, it's just 1 pot and a cutting board basically. And don't have much else to add to this. You guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. Just remember, you know, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.